Many a time, we find events, actions, and things inappropriate or out of place. Certain things or happenings don't make sense at all when the prevailing situation is completely contradictory. There's a word for bringing out this contrast. But before we learn to use that word, let's see what we learned last week. The word for this week is incongruous. As per Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, it means not in harmony or keeping with the surroundings or other aspects of something. Someone or something that is incongruous seems unusual or different from what is around or from what is generally happening. Let's see some sentences. My performance is incongruous with my high standards. It seems incongruous to have a novice for the top job. The party appears incongruous in the light of the COVID-19 spread. Since we are talking about contradiction and contrast, one phrase that will go well here is apples and oranges. As per Cambridge Dictionary, the phrase is used to convey that two things are completely different and it wouldn't be sensible to compare them. This phrase can also be written as apples with oranges and apples to oranges. Let's see some sentences. This report is highly misleading. It's comparing apples and oranges. Comparing big trucks with cars is like comparing apples with oranges. You're comparing apples to oranges. They both have different personalities. So avoid taking actions which are incongruous from what the situation demands. Be consistent and coherent. I'll be back with a new word and a new phrase next week. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.